The Mac Mini was always the underdog. The cheap Mac. The entry point. But something shifted at Apple Park recently. They realized that the most powerful things don't need to be the biggest. They realized that the future of computing isn't a tower sitting under your desk. It's a concentrated, hyper-efficient slab of aluminum that can outperform a workstation from 5 years ago while drawing less power than a light bulb. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on the most anticipated desktop in Apple's history. The M5 Mac Mini isn't just an upgrade. It is a declaration of war against the traditional PC. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you are a creative professional, a software engineer, or just someone who wants the fastest computer on the planet without spending $5,000, you need to stop what you're doing. The rumors we've been tracking from the assembly lines in Vietnam and the design labs in Cupertino are pointing to a machine that defies the laws of thermodynamics. We are going to break down every secret Apple is hiding about the M5 silicon, the radical new cooling architecture, and why this specific Mac Mini is the one that finally makes the Mac Studio irrelevant. This is the ultimate deep dive into the M5 Mac Mini. Let's talk about the heart of the machine, the M5 chip. We've seen the jumps from M1 to M4, but M5 is the first clean-sheet redesign of the Apple silicon architecture since the transition began. Built on an enhanced 2-nanometer process, the M5 chip is packing a transistor density that is frankly terrifying. We are talking about 30 billion transistors in the base model alone. But it's not just about raw numbers. It's about the instruction set. The M5 features the new ultra-thread technology, allowing the performance cores to handle background tasks with zero latency. When you're rendering a 4K video in Final Cut Pro while having 50 Chrome tabs open and a Zoom call running, the M5 doesn't even spin up the fans. It doesn't just handle the load, it ignores it. And then there is the GPU. Apple has been quietly hiring the best graphics engineers from NVIDIA and AMD for 3 years, and the M5 is where that investment pays off. We are looking at a hardware-accelerated ray tracing engine that is 40% faster than the M4. For the first time, Mac gaming isn't a joke. With the M5 Mac Mini, you can run AAA titles at 1440p with high frame rates, something that was unthinkable for a computer this size just a few years ago. But this isn't just for gamers. This is for the 3D artists using Blender and the architects using AutoCAD. The M5 renders light and shadow in real time with a level of accuracy that used to require a dedicated power supply just for the graphics card. But power is nothing without intelligence. We are living in the age of AI, and Apple knows it. The M5 Mac Mini features a specialized neural matrix, a massive upgrade to the neural engine specifically designed for large language models. In the USA, where productivity is king, having an AI that runs locally on your desk is a game changer. No more waiting for the cloud. No more privacy concerns with your data leaving your machine. The M5 Mac Mini can summarize a 1,000-page legal document in seconds. It can generate code, upscale low-resolution footage, and isolate vocals from a noisy recording instantly. It's not just a computer, it's a co-pilot that thinks as fast as you do. Now, let's talk about the design, because the rumors are wild. After years of using the same silver box, Apple is finally shrinking the footprint.